Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel on YouTube, Math Vibes. Continuing with the series of concept of decimals, here we are with the part 7 where you will learn how to round off decimals. And before we start our video, just take a moment to subscribe to our channel to watch latest updates. Let's start the video. So, when you have to round off the decimals, then first thing is when you are rounding off, it is necessary to identify the place you are rounding to. Our first step will be कि हमें check करना पड़ेगा कि हमें किस place तक उसको round off करना है. Most of the times it is already mentioned in the question. Okay. The second step will be the digit that follows will tell you whether you should round up or leave the digit the same. जिस डिजिट को आपने राउंड अप किया है उसका अगला नंबर नेक्स्ट नंबर टू द राइट ओके दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज उसी से आपको पता लगेगा कि आपको उसको राउंड अप करके +1 करना है या उसको सेम रखना है ओके So next, if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, as we have seen in the previous video also, where you have learnt about rounding of numbers, I have discussed it in detail. अगर अभी भी किसी को इसमें confusion है तो पहले वो video देखो जिसमें मैंने rounding of numbers बताया है. Okay, it is on our channel. The link is also here. So if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then you will round up by 1. Means अगर सर्कल वाले नंबर के बाद वाला डिजिट 5, 6, 7, 8 या 9 हो तो आप सर्कल वाले नंबर में +1 करोगे ओके और अगर नहीं हो अगर वो नंबर हो 0, 1, 2, 3 या 4 फिर क्या करोगे फिर आप +1 नहीं करोगे ओके then you will not add 1 but the most important rule is चाहे वो नंबर 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 है या 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 है बट जिस नंबर को आपने सर्कल कर दिया उसके बाद जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं वो सब 0 बनते हैं ओके जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं वो सब 0 बनेंगे अंडरस्टूड आगे चले ओके सो नाउ when you are rounding off it will be helpful if you circle the place you are rounding off to so we are going to follow the same procedure which we have done in rounding off numbers कि हमें जिस प्लेस तक राउंड ऑफ करना है हम उसको सर्कल कर देंगे और उसके बाद वाला जो नंबर होगा द वेरी नेक्स्ट नंबर आफ्टर द इनसर्कल्ड डिजिट उसको हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे ओके then we will check whether it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then we will solve our questions accordingly. So let us take an example. Suppose you have to round off 34.561 to the nearest tenth. Okay, you have to round off the number 34.561 to the nearest tenth. So what you will do? First of all, you will identify the place where you have to round off. So the digit at the 10th place is 5. Okay, the digit at the 10th place is 5. So you will put a circle around 5. Alright, so the next step will be you will have to underline the digit which is next to the encircled digit. Now here it is 6. Alright, so after that what you have to do? After that you have to add 1 because now the digit after the encircled digit is 6 and we have done that if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 then we will add 1 to the encircled digit. Alright, so that means our number will now become 34.600. Okay, so now our number is 34.600. Even if you want to write 34.6, that is also correct because after decimal you can add as many zeros as you want, or if you want to remove it, that also you can do. Okay, so all right, let's look at the next example now. So it is, you have to round off 0.504 to the nearest tenth. Okay, 0.504 to the nearest tenth. So now what you will do again, you will identify the digit at the 10th place. Now here the digit at the 10th place is 5. Okay, the digit at the 10th place is 5. So what you will do, you will put a circle around 5. Second step will be, you will underline the digit which is after the encircled digit. Now you will check if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then there is no change, then you will not add 1. But if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then you will add 1. But here it is 0. So we are not going to add 1 to this number. Instead we will just do that rule that जिस जो नंबर सर्कल हो गया उसके बाद सारे डिजिट क्या बन जाएंगे, 0. राइट, सो आवर नंबर इज 0.500, 0.500, or you can write 0.5 also. Okay, so 10th place is clear to you. Now let us look at the number which you have to round off to nearest hundredth now. Okay, and the number is 4.6341. Now why I am reading like this, that 4.6341, this I have discussed in detail in naming the decimals. Okay, it will be advisable you watch that video if you are not clear about how you write the number name of the decimal numbers. Okay, it is available on our channel, and take a minute to quickly subscribe also. All right, so firstly we have to identify the place. Okay, so the 100th place here is 10th and 100th. So at the 100th place we have the digit 3. So we will put a circle around 3. Okay, the next step will be, we will underline the digit after the encircled digit. All right, and after that what we will do, check. Now the number is 4, and we have done that if it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then there is no change. No change means we don't add 1 to the encircled digit. So that means 3 will remain as it is, and after 3 all the other digits will become 0. So our answer now will be 4.6300. Okay, or you can write 4.63 also. Okay, all right, now let us look at another example where you again have to round off to nearest hundredth only, but the number now is 65.2568. Okay, 65.2568. Now identify the digit at the hundredth place. It is, now see, you have to observe this word carefully. TH. Okay, TH means it is at the decimal place, decimal part. Okay, and we know, we have already discussed in one of the videos that the decimal has two parts, right? So identify the digit at the hundredth place, then 10th and 100th. So the digit at 100th place is 5. Okay, so you will put a circle around 5. Now you will underline the digit which is next to the encircled digit. Now we have discussed it so many times. So quickly we'll do that. That now it is 6. So that means you will add 1 to the encircled digit. Alright. So you will add 1 to the encircled digit, and now our answer will become 65.2600. 65.2600, or you can write 65.26 also. Okay, now let us check that what we have to do when we have to round off to nearest thousandths place. Thousandths. Okay, again this is the decimal part. All right, so now identify the digit at the thousandth place. So this is 10th, this is 100th, and this is 1000th. So the digit at the 1000th place is 2. So we will put a circle around 2. Okay, and then we will underline the next digit which is 5. Okay, next digit is 5. So we have known till now that if it is 5, then that means we have to add 1 to the encircled digit. So that will make our answer 67.1130. 67.1130 or 67.113. Okay. All right. So let us look at the last example, which is 11.11002. Okay, again you have to round off to the nearest thousands place. Okay, so 10th, 100th and 1000th. Now the nearest places digit is 0. Okay, so we'll put a circle around 0. Now you will underline the next digit, which is again 0. And we know that if it is 0, then there is no change. No change means we don't add 1 to the encircled digit. Okay, and if we don't add 1 to the encircled digit, okay, then what? Now another rule is there, that all the digit after the encircled digit are always 0. So here the answer is 11.11000, or you can write 11.11 also. Hope you have understood it. Okay, and if you did, then make sure you click the subscribe button and like and share our video also. And here are some practice questions for you, because you know practice makes a man perfect and you are the best. I know you can do it very, very quickly. So the questions are which you have to do, and you can write the answers in the comment section below, and I'll personally try to reply each of your comment also, that it is correct or not. Okay, so the questions are, you have to round off 9.876 to nearest tens, you have to round off 87.6504 to nearest thousands, you have to round off 10.034 to nearest hundreds place. All right, okay. So it's time to say bye-bye, and don't forget to subscribe for latest updates, and to watch more videos do visit our channel. We'll love to see you over there. Okay, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye bye, take care.